Invasion! Well, that's what we were told. The aliens were definitely coming. And did they what? Well, actually, we end up fighting ourselves and had to kill the aliens by giving them beer, which was kind of fucking stupid. It could have been like an MVM only with aliens that could do different and wonderful things, but instead we got a couple of new skins and a few new effects. Some of which, like the Nebula, are really good, and the others, like the Galactic Codex, were fucking cryptic. But anyway, I'm going back in time. I bought some new alien invasion crates. And as I drink this fine vodka, damn fine vodka may I add, I will continue on. So ploughing forth, open with a key. Now, a nebula would be really nice, and I've done everything necessary. I've prayed to Gaben. I've worshipped his effigy. You know, I've done everything right. I even have my Gaben branded underwear. I'm wearing it at this moment. A shooting star appeared in the sky, and this forewarned disaster. Damn it, I'm going to get nothing. Now I realise I've been painful in the force, and previously I did not click this next item. I didn't click this next item, but I will. And this one. And guess what I got? Another shooting star. Holy fucking shit. Okay, let's have another look. Now this could be something really interesting. Or not. Definitely not. Oh, that's a fashion statement. It reminds me of a costume that there's this Russian guy that sings in a real high-pitched voice. I can't remember his name, but fuck, it reminds me of that guy. One of the costumes he wore. But anyway, yeah, man, that's pretty damn special. Okay, and another shooting star, a weapon that I never use. And probably never will. And Saxton's ugly face. And the most useless fucking item one could possibly imagine. Oh, not the Phobos filter. The sore-ass filler, you mean? Fuck that. Jesus. No. Oh. Some of those are strange, but you know, I was just sort of hoping that would be more like a purple border saying, you have an unusual, one of one, rare, ultra motherfucking rare item. That sucks. Oh. The Geiger counter. Oh yeah. I like the Geiger counter. I don't think I've got the Geiger counter. I think I've actually got the Geiger counter. I just do not have it. I don't think I've ever unboxed it or, you know. I've definitely seen those things, and they're back for more to fucking eye rape me. Hello. Oh no. Next one. Oh yeah, there's some more stuff to unbox. Me's gonna unbox it. Jaja's gonna unbox it. Oh, innocent people are gonna die. Fuck you, Jaja. Okay, we've found that. Corona Australis is one of the top tier things for the collection, but I mean, the problem is, it's not unusual. Haha. Oh my! Oh my, what have I found? I found Saxon's ugly head. Yeah. I'm not interested. Come on! You can do this! No. Life support systems suck. Oh, it's a slug. A sucker slug. And some paint. And Saxon's ugly ass. I mean face. I mean, you know what I mean. Fuck. Now. Oh, it's a sore ass filter. You got a sore ass? Put this down your pants. Oh. Yep. Life support system. We can do it. We have the power. Oh. Oh, Jesus. I'm feeling the pain here. Pain. 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 Okay. Okay, what's up next, guys and gals and more sexy pants. I'm gonna duel with myself with a fucking bazooka. Great. Oh, the sore ass filter. Gaiman, are you aware that far too many of these fucking pants are being unboxed? And too many of those fucking things too. Just give me a Spaceman's Captain Unusual! Space. The final frontier. You can wear these fucking things. Jesus. This is fucking killing me. Oh, that's different. The Starduster. Okay, well, fair enough. That deserves a swig of fine vodka. Do never put vodka down your airway. Oh, god damn, that was good. Except for the airway bit, that was bad. I don't think I have that item. So I've got a couple of items that I don't have, but I haven't really yielded any unusuals. A sore ass filter. Oh, low health kills. Some people like to count everything, don't they? Oh, a backpack expander. Some gold paint. And to top it off, the most useless item in TF2. The most useless. Followed by this! I bet you some poor... Oh, I don't want that. This was what we're after. Invasion keys. What are we going to open now? No. Oh, not the fucking final frontiersman. Oh, sell on the market. Yep, I'm going to open this, okay. Oh, how crap. I'm going to start crying. Oh man. Okay. I don't know. I'll find a few more, so I'll push on. I am a little upset by what's happened, though. Now I'm even more upset by what's happened. Shit! Okay, open this! You know, Final Frontiersman and the other fucking things are not welcome. You are not welcome in my world! Oh, Jesus. I bet you it would be a bloody favourite filter again. Oh. Come on, you can do it. Ugh. Now they're gonna start giving me all more useless shit. Yeah, we found something useless for you that will waste your time, money, and effort. And it's this! Another one for your collection. Thank you. I feel really fucking insanely mad and want to beat your face to a pulp. But I do have some more crates. Yeah. Fuck yeah. Rocket operator. I'm a rocket man. I'm not like other guys at all. Oh no, no, no. I'm a rocket man. Rocket man! Rocket man! Fucking hell. Oh. Oh. I'm not even gonna acknowledge the presence of that fucking thing. Oh, here you go. Yes, I've got the last 4 crates to unbox! Yay! Well, that's shit. I got 3 left to prove I can do something. Well, fucking hell. These confidential shit crates or whatever they are, quarantine, they're really not fucking worth it. Stay away from them. Oh, they might yield the promise of ongoing riches by getting some fucking Nebula effect, which is rare, but in practice they tend to give you those stupid Final Frontiers, these motherfuckers, and also the support kit. So that's my unboxing session. This is Fat Stormtrooper and the bottle of vodka, signing off from Daft Chicken Gaming. Peace.